Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about differential equations. So now I want to show you how to answer. We need to divide both sides by dx. Next, we need to divide both sides by y to the power of 6. So we have 1 over y to the power of 5 dy over y to the power of 6 dx. This is about Bernoulli's equation. So we can put about v equals to this one. Later that we need to do first the derivative for the both sides, and we have like this. So because we don't have negative number 5, so we divide both sides by negative number 5. So this one we change for v. This one we change for this one. So we divide both sides by negative s over number 5 for the both sides. And we have like this. Next, we have v, and first derivative of v. This is about linear differential equations. So we can use about integrating factor. So we need to find about mu s equals to e to the power of the integration. We see that negative number 5 over s next to v. This is for integrating factor, and I will put this one gone here. The integration of this one, we have negative number 5 f and s, and later that negative number 5 go inside about natural law in here. And this one we simplify, and we have s to the power of negative number 5. That means we need to multiply both sides by this one. So this one, that is about 5s to the power of negative number 6. Number 2 minus number 5, we have negative number 3. And now we put the integration for the both sides. So we can use about the product rule of the derivative. So I can use about first derivative of y equals to first derivative of 8 multiplied by b plus first derivative of b multiplied by 8. So this one, that is about first derivative of 8 multiplied by b. This one, that is about first derivative of b multiplied by 8. So the integration of this one, we have y equals to ab. So the integration of that one, we have vs to the power of negative number 5. This one, that is about s to the power of negative number 2 over negative number 2. And I will put about c. About v, that is about this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.